Okay, it's recording.
See, it should be flashing recording. Look at it. Come on. Fucking gastro.
Holy shit, look at the size of that. Oh.
Dude, I have not caught nothing but Jasper goose all last weekend.
You're the Jasper Goose King. Look at the size of that.
8-pound Jasper goose, man.
It's a nice catch, Randy.
Oh yeah. Leave me for the trash fish. Trash fish, man. They end up with rocks. You open his mouth and you end up with rocks on the bottom of it. I wonder what the blanket record for a Jasper goose is.
I don't know, I think you got that. You should turn it in.
Fucking fish.
Nice catch, bud.
Yeah. Fucking Jasper.